Alright, so I am both excited to find this and a little bit embarrassed because I got the Fiskars travel scissors, which I carry in my Expedition Pico travel kit with first aid, sewing kit, just all sorts of stuff that goes in my carry-on, also goes to work with me every day. And I paid more for the Fiskars scissors than the travel sewing kit, which includes the foldable Fiskars scissors. So, a little embarrassed, and I also got something I've always wanted for my carry, which is the little um, foldable ruler tape. So let's kind of take a look and see what's in here. And I may, even though this is a little bit bulky for a box, I may actually leave this and work this into one of my kits. Now, in here you get the very nice folding scissors. And actually you can see that now they close a little tight, but that's good because that actually means you're getting a good, they're not loose. So that's actually really good. And then they fold up very easily, relatively easily. And like that. And then what else do you get in here? You get the ruler tape, and it actually, it's not paper. It may be, feels like it's made out of a durable material. And then really nice in here, you get a couple of just straight pins, a couple of safety pins. Then you get a couple of buttons, and then you get really nice to add the little bit threader. And actually there's some sewing needles in there as well with very small eyes, which is really good to have the threader. And then you get a bunch of different colored threads. So a nice little kit. It was, the time I got it, it was under $5, and it fits actually very nicely into this container or little box. And if TSA questions anything when you're going through, you can just pull out the box and they can easily see it's just a sewing kit. Yeah, very nice deal for under $5. And it happens to be a name brand as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, and have a good one. Link will be in the description. Take care.